Hello, I'm Chitra Kailasam. I've completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Electronics and Communication from Anna University with 83% first class in distinction. Currently, I'm pursuing my Master's program in Telecom Management from AJ School of Business and Telecommunication Management in Mumbai. I hold 3.5 years of full-time work experiences which cover 1.5 years of work experience in overseas. Previously, I was working as a design engineer cum plant supervisor for an engineering service company in Zambia, Central Africa. This gave me an opportunity of adaptability and cross-cultural team building. Previous to this, I was working as a lecturer in engineering colleges in India. So this gave me a continuous learning ability and also knowledge sharing and team building. My achievements in the above experiences are, in a short span of time, I was promoted from a design engineer to a plant supervisor. When I was working as a lecturer in engineering college, I was awarded a gold coin for achieving 99% of results for the subjects I have handled. Above all, when I was doing my engineering, I completed it with first class with distinction. The above achievement shows that I am a goal-oriented person who completes the given work in the stipulated time. Today, in telecom industry, there is a need for both technical and managemental skills. So I decided to hone my skills and ability through a managemental program in telecom management from AJ School of Business and Telecommunication Management, Mumbai. Today, at the verge of completion of my course, I am very confident to tell that through many case studies and research methodologies, this course has given me a strong knowledge in both technical and techno-managemental areas in telecommunication industry. Like telecom technologies, the leading telecom technologies today like 3G, 4G, LTE and networkings, basics of networkings and wireless and telecom technologies. And in the management side, marketing, international marketing, financing and financial accounting. Today, at the part of a course curriculum, I am also doing a project on future of M-commerce in India. M-commerce covers various services like banking, wallet and many M services. My project will give you a detailed analysis of architecture, the business models, various successful case studies like M-Paisa in Kenya, M-Banking in South Korea. And this project mainly covers the aspects of Indian scenario of M-commerce, where it will give you how the rules and regulations are there and whether if you have to start a M-Banking or M-Wallet services in India, what are the regulations you have to follow, which is put forward by TRAI and RBI, and who are the successful players who have implemented this M-commerce, who are successful telecom operators who have implemented this M-commerce, and the ecosystem partners who are supporting the system. So this case study as a whole will give you what is the M-commerce today India is, what is the future and what are the challenges which will be faced by the telecom operators and the ecosystem provider. So with above experiences, skills and ability, I am confident to say that I am a valuable candidate for a technical consultant or a management consultant or a managemental consultant or a marketing professional for various companies around the globe. Thank you for watching my video, CV, and I am looking forward to discuss more. Thank you.